Okay, so let's make kurigohan, the chestnut rice. For the rice, 265 grams of rice, 2 tablespoons of mochi rice, therefore 2 cups of rice total, sake, salt, and 390 ml of water for 2 cups of rice. First, cut the bottom of the chestnut and take off the hard skin. They were soaked in the warm water, so the skin should be nicely softened. Then, cut all the thin skin to make it clean, so the chestnut would look really nice when it's cooked. Soak it into the water for reducing the harshness. Next, get ready for the rice. Put all the rice together and rinse it. Put right amount of the water and add salt. Roughly mix it. Put all the chestnut in the hot pot and put the lid on to steam it. When it's nicely steamed, sprinkle sake and mix everything well. And put the lid back onto the pot to cook it by steam for about 5 minutes. It's a great texture of this fresh chestnut, and it's just so sweet. And it's mochi rice makes it more sticky and chewy, which is just so nice, and I can feel autumn. So I'd love you to feel this brilliant autumn with this chestnut rice. Enjoy autumn! So thank you for watching. See you. Bye. Of course, I also made candied chestnut for a New Year's special recipe. If you're curious about this recipe, you can see it on the other video. Please check and see it.